Alex from QST, another video for you today. This time I bought this recently. It is a Mclaren 570S. It's a late 2016 car. It's a nice car, relatively low mileage, full Mclaren history. Anyway, picked it up probably about a month or so now. We're going to do a few bits to it. We've done a few body styling bits, but today's video we are going to lower the car. It's got nose lift on it already. This is actually nose lift down, believe it or not. They sit really high. Got a set of KW springs. They do two different kits. I've opted for the race kit, which makes it slightly lower. You go up to 30mm lower. So we're going to get it in the workshop. I've already fitted wheel spacers on it as well, actually. But we'll touch on that once we fit the springs on it as well. So we can get it round, do the springs on it, and then we should be able to get into this video as well. We're going to get it on the dyno stock, get some bassline figures and logs, and we'll do a full stage 2 package on it as well. But yeah, so today's video is all about this Mclaren 570S. So the springs of choice I've gone for are the KW Hass. It's a height adjustable spring kit. So the main advantage of this spring kit over other springs on the market is essentially it converts a factory damper into a coilover type setup. So you can adjust the ride height front and rear independently. What's nice about that is a lot of time an off-the-shelf spring, you'll install it. For example, the front may be too low compared to the back. This you can really dial it into exactly how you want it. You can get up to a 30mm drop. They do two different springs. These are the race type springs, which go slightly lower. It's a slightly stiffer spring. So they're a great upgrade for anyone with a 540C, 570S, 570 GT. Whether your factory springs are broken, which they're prone to, luckily my car, the springs are fine, or you're looking to improve the stance and handling slightly. I mean, the factory handling is absolutely unbelievable on them. These should improve that further, obviously with a lower centre of gravity. It still retains the use of the factory nose lift as well. And as you all know, KW, if you don't know, KW supply a lot of OEM parts, for example, Mercedes-AMG, Audi, BMW, Manthey Racing, so it's real high quality German produced products, and I'm really excited to get these on the car. Also come with smaller bump stops in there as well, which again a lot of the other off-the-shelf springs don't come with. So let's get these on the car. So you've got the main spring, we've got the helper spring as well. So we're going to go and get these over to Mike in the workshop, and he's going to crack on the install, and we're going to get the ride height dialed in. I do like cars pretty low, so we're going to set it nice and low, but obviously we live in the UK, our roads are shocking to say the least, so we're going to keep it sensitive as well. So this front corner is now all installed. You come down around here, Alfie, you'll see the height adjuster we talked about there. So it's a height adjustable spring kit. It's currently on the lower setting. Like I said, I want it quite low. So what we'll do is lower it down in a sec, see where it sits on the front to gauge a bit of an idea for the rear. That's all installed. Other side's about to be done. Then we'll get onto the rear. Alright, so back from the dyno now. Annoyingly, I forgot to film quite a lot of stuff. So we had to remove the rear balance to then strap it on to the dyno jet. Also, off topic slightly from the dyno, adjusted the front suspension a little bit. Just raised it up a tad after driving it. It's settled a little bit more than I'd liked it to have. So raise that, you can see the stance. It's absolutely perfect now. No issues with rubbing, speed bumps or anything like that. So it made 539 at the wheels stock, which is around 599 bhp. So now we're going to develop our stage 1 tune and put our titanium catback exhaust on the car. Run it like that, grab some data and some draggy times, and then upgrade the downpipes and air filters.